Drinking at a private party can matter because the evidence often looks different than a bar case. At a bar, there may be a tab, a receipt, or a bartender who remembers serving you. At a backyard party or a friend's house, the timeline is often less exact, and that can matter when the real question is your condition when you drove. A rising BAC defense focuses on timing. Alcohol does not enter the bloodstream all at once. If the test happened well after driving, the number on the breath or blood test may not match your blood alcohol level at the time you were actually behind the wheel. Friends or family who saw you before you drove may be important witnesses. They may remember how much you seemed to drink, whether you ate, how long you were there, and how you looked when you left. Those details do not decide the case by themselves, but they are real evidence worth preserving early. Private party cases sometimes include drinking after the drive, usually at home after the car was parked. California recognizes a drink-after-drive defense when later drinking helps explain a test result taken after the fact. If that happened, the details need to be documented carefully, including what was consumed when and who can confirm it. Field sobriety tests are supposed to measure what the officer saw at the stop. A long night, nerves, footwear, fatigue, or uneven ground can affect performance in ways that are not alcohol impairment. If the officer did not personally see driving, the case may rely on circumstantial proof, like location, engine warmth, witnesses, or statements, so those facts need a close look. The DMV case is separate from the criminal case, and you generally have 10 days from the arrest to request a DMV hearing. Also write a detailed timeline while your memory is fresh. Save witness contact information, and avoid social media posts about the incident. Mitigation steps, like voluntary alcohol education or evaluation, may also become useful later. If the drinking happened at a private party, the small timing details can matter a lot. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.